Hi! In front of me is Honor, Magic for Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can change font style on this Honor. First of all, go into Theme app. Now you need to select Featured at the bottom left corner if it's not already on and tap on Text Styles. After that, select the best text style for you. I will go with Cheerful. Click on Download and tap on Apply. Your font style will change after you log in. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!